In this practice, you will upload drawings to A360 and render a view in the cloud while continuing to work on your computer. A working internet connection is required. In the Info Center, select Sign into Autodesk account and enter your Autodesk ID and password in the Sign In dialog box. If you don't have an Autodesk ID, select Create Account and create one. Open Kitchen-Materials Drawing. Change to the 3D Modeling workspace. In the Visualize tab, name Views, Panel, select the Dining Area view. In the Visualize tab, Render Panel, set Render Preset to High. Save the drawing. In the Visualize tab, Render Panel, click Render in Cloud. In the Autodesk Render dialog box, expand the Model View drop-down list and select Render Current View. Clear the Notify Me by Email when complete option and click Start Rendering. The rendering is processed in the background as you work. You can check the status of the rendering by expanding your Autodesk account name in the Info Center. If the drawing is still being rendered, Render in Progress displays at the bottom of the drop-down list. A rotating circle is also displayed next to your name. Once the rendering is finished, expand the drop-down list and select View Completed Rendering. The default browser will open to the Autodesk rendering site, My Renderings tab. Hover the cursor over the thumbnail of the rendering and click View Project to see the full rendering. Close the browser.